anyone who is curious in how to glue metal together, anyone who's curious about welding, if you've got a fab shop or you've got a metal shop or you're doing sheet metal working, you should come check this out. If you've investigated automation in the past and it hasn't worked out, or the return on investment wasn't calculated, or it wasn't working out, I think it's really important that those folks who have maybe considered automation before, they're trying to revisit it and they're not sure where to start, or they're overwhelmed by the possibilities. I mean, I'm really going to go through why people are automating with collaborative automation, what is kind of the first generation of collaborative welding, and I'm going to talk about advancements in collaborative welding that are making it more approachable for more applications than just MIG welding, little pieces and parts that a lot of people kind of connect collaborative welding to. There's a lot of neat new technologies out there that are making it more approachable for even more metal fabricators than before. And I know this is a general automation show, but there's a lot of people making metal stuff in this country. And, the line between traditional automation and collaborative automation is really becoming blurry. And so I talk about that as well. And then the key part is at the very end, I am going to put together an action plan. How do you make your decision? How do you get started? How do you find money? All of those things come together to be able to help you be successful, more successful with your project. And so if you're at the beginning of your journey, or you've started a new company, or if you are experienced and you just want some other tips and tricks, this should be a good session for you. You're definitely going to have some sort of tip in this session.